So somebody's contacted you and they don't speak a language that you speak, and you need to find them an agent that speaks their language. Well, I've got you covered today because we are going to go over just that inside of Command and how you can find agents that speak other languages to help your clients better. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and today we are going to go into a not often visited section of Command. It's the Referrals section, right? It looks like a little upside down teardrop with a person inside of it. We're going to go to that section and we are going to find agents that speak another language. I don't know about you, but here in Houston, Texas, we have lots of people buying and selling homes that speak Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, any language you can think of, we have it here in Houston. It is a melting pot of cultures. So it's going to come across your path that you're going to need to find someone that speaks another language. What I want you to do if you need to find an agent that speaks another language, you're going to click on Referrals and then you're going to click on Map. You're going to search for your city that you're in. My market center is currently in Spring, Texas. The second box here, I'm going to click on Market Centers, and that's going to pull up a list of market centers around me. This is my home market center here. So I can come over here, search for my market center, and then it's going to pull up all the agents in my market center. And then I can filter those results by languages spoken. And if I need someone that speaks Spanish, I'm going to click on that language under languages spoken and apply that filter. And then you'll see only 78 agents at this market center speak Spanish. This is going to work for any city that any city there's a market center in. And if you need someone that's outside your city, go search that city and find a market center with an agent that speaks those languages. So if your clients are selling their home and moving to another city, then you can use this tool to go find an agent in that city that speaks their language and make your clients so happy. Now, if you do speak another language, watch my video from last week that shows you how to update your profile so that people can find you and agents can find you and know that you speak Spanish. So you have to put that on your My Profile, and I showed you how to do that last week. So let me know if you're using this feature and if you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next week.